Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be.
My dolls, I am 𝐒𝐢𝐠𝐬, also known as LeeLee yours truly, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. Today, you guys, I am bringing to you another unit install. This wig was sent to me by OMGHerHair, and y'all, I am absolutely obsessed. I think I showed unboxing, but the packaging came so cute. I love the box. It came with like adjustable straps. It came inside of the plastic bag. It has a bunch of goodies, a scarf, a comb, all kind of stuff inside of here, a more adjustable bands. It has like the different type of HD laces that they have and offer, and it has a stocking cap, of course, and just everything you would need. And even, y'all know I love these little banana clips. So y'all, this unit came already prepped, ready, bleached, plucked, everything. So this is their HD invisible lace unit, and it comes already ready to put on out of the box. Y'all are gonna see me take this out of the box, put it on my head, and brush these curls out and go. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below, and honey, let me know what y'all think about these amazing gorgeous curls. Guys, I am absolutely obsessing over it. Y'all know I love curly hair. So let's go ahead and get into the video, and I'll see y'all at the end. Alright guys, so the unit is on now and I'm absolutely loving these curls. Don't forget about this HD Undetectable Invisible Lace. Honey, I am absolutely obsessed. But I'm going to see what this looks like once I brush these curls out. And I'm going to give you an up close look at what these curls came out the box looking like. And mind you guys, I took this unit straight out of the box and applied it to my head. So this is easy install, definitely beginner friendly, and I highly recommend it. The link to this unit will be down in the description box. But now I'm going to brush through these curls so I can get the finished look. And yeah, oh my god, oh my goodness. Now I personally did not glue this all the way down. Move it, Riley. I didn't glue this all the way down. But honey, do y'all see these curls? And do you see how easily it's going through? This is my type of hair. But let me speed this part up and brush through it. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. I brushed out the curls to my liking and I am absolutely in love with this gorgeous unit. Like, look at this. These curls are amazing. Amazing. So the links to this unit will be down in the description box. Like I said, I took this out of the box, put it on my head. The lace is amazing and it was already parted, it was already plucked, it was already bleached. Everything was already done for me so I could take it out, put it on, and be good to go. So the links to this super easy unit will be down in the description box. Thank you to OMGHerHair. I love this unit so much. Definitely my type of curls. You can even take a curling defining blow dryer and blow these up and define them even more. But I kind of like my stuff when it's poofy. I gotta let this side dry a little bit more. But let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.